Hi. Today I have a very interesting log for you guys. So after catching and beating the coronavirus and after getting the second dose, I think now it's a perfect time to pick a corona log. So this is a Euro cylinder, and let me remove it. And as you can see, like this is like a dirty one, so it was probably outside of the log. This was inside. Full Euro cylinder, and I think this is a German company, old one. I don't think they are making it anymore, but I'm not sure. As far as I know, it's a German company. And here's the keyway. It's a very paracentric Yale style keyway and very tight, especially for my usual deforest diamond. And here's the key. From this side it's Corona, and you can see 5 pins. Not that great beating, but yeah, it's working very nice. So you can see probably here that part is the cam moving, yeah, and I'll try to pick it, and I will use usually I'm using this wiper insert as a tension tool, and of course my favorite deforest diamond. So we need to beat the Corona, so my usual one. So let's start it. It's a tricky pick, especially with this, because all the pins are, as far as I can remember, they are security pins. So from start, pin number 1, counter rotation, it's a spool probably. Pin 2, click, counter rotation. Pin 3, nothing. Pin 4, counter rotation. Come on. I dropped something, so I was unable to set. Pin 1 is back. Pin 1, click. Pin 2, click. Pin 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5, nothing. I think 4 now, or it was 5. So now 3. Come on. 3, click, and let's find. Now I think it's pin 5. Come on, it's very hard with this forest diamond, but we are open finally, and the corner lock down. So let me now remove it, and I will try to disassemble this one. So it was easy gutting. I was expecting more fight, but this is a bit a different cam mechanism inside. So you can see here is how it looks like. It's a bit different than the usual one. That's why that's spring. So everything is standard. So let me check. Yeah, everything is standard. So here's the pins. So all the key pins are standard. All the drivers are spoon, as we noticed. So they're very interesting. Like on one side, they're like a smaller part and a longer part. And yeah, they're very interesting spools, and all the drivers are all the springs are the same. So yeah, this was the Corona finally picked. So here's the how it looks like. So done. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.